FC, I've got two carburetors here. I have the stock YF Carter, and I've got the Chinesium $75 special off of the Jungle website that I got in one day. So I really want to get this thing pulled out. We're going to see if we can't make this carburetor that's supposed to go on a 75 to 81 Ford truck with a straight six work on this flathead straight six. We'll see. It should work, but I don't know. I haven't seen anyone do it. I'm sure people do. I'm too cheap to buy a rebuilt one of these for $300 or $500, whatever it is, and I don't want to wait. So let's see if this works. Okay, got our gasket in, and let's see if this fits. Oh, what do you know? It fits. Yeah, I think this is gonna work. We do have a different style choke. We're no longer going to be using a cable, and instead we're going to have to use a port into the intake manifold, which there are none. So I'll have to make one, which isn't a big deal, but that'll give us automatic choke without any electronics, which that'll be nice. I have to pull a stupid cable all the time. Let's get this thing bolted on. Well, I got that carb on. There she is. And no go. It's still doing the same thing. So I took each spark plug out and stuck my finger over each hole, and I have compression on 1, 3, 5, and 6, or 1, 3, 5. I don't have compression on, I know, at least 2 and 4 and probably 5. So we've got this little rig right here. I've got a funnel and some hose running down into each cylinder, and I'm going to take this little concoction of this is Mercon 5 and some mystery oil, and see if we can't get those rings to free up. Hopefully that's what it is. If it's not, it's going to need a rebuild because it's just the compression's too low. It just won't stay running. Maybe it'll fire up and I could get them to work in, but as of right now it's not running. So let's give this a go. Now I'm just going to crank it over slowly. I don't want it to really do much. I just want to get that piston to move a little. So let's see. I'm gonna put my finger over it now, see if I get any compression now. Nope, not a puff. If I go on cylinder number 1, you can hear it for sure. See? Yeah. Cylinder number 2, don't got nothing. I'm gonna watch to see if that valve's actually moving. Valve's not moving.
What?
The valve isn't moving.
Oh yeah, well that's good news.
My guess is that's the intake valve, actually. Which would explain why we don't have any compression. So, let's see what we can do. So we got the 57 FC here, and this is going to be probably the first time it has idled and sat on all 4 wheels in 50 years. We've got a different carb in here from a 75 F150, F100, and we've got a new radiator from Northern Radiator Supply, and a very leaky old water pump. So Should be enough to get us to sit here and idle. Oh, look at that! Hey, now let's see if it'll drive. Clutch, reverse, shut door. Well, that's first. I'll just leave it in gear. There you go! Boom! Rolls under her own power. Look at that. This is going to be his daily driver.